Once you tried this silky smooth sweet potato pie, you'll never go back to pumpkin pie. The filling is perfectly spiced and so creamy, but not too rich, so you'll be definitely reaching for a second slice. And it's so easy to put together, let me show you how. Roast 2 to 2.5 sweet potatoes depending on size until tender. Roasting gives better flavor than boiling. While your baked potatoes cool, blind bake your pie crust. This step is optional but will result in a flakier crust. You weigh down your crust with pie weights and bake it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes, then remove the pie weights, dock the crust, and bake for an additional 8 minutes. We don't want to bake it all the way because it will bake with the filling as well. Peel your roasted and cooled sweet potatoes. In a food processor, pulse the sweet potatoes well so we don't end up with stringy bits in the pie. Then add 1 cup of white sugar and blend well. Now add half of a stick of melted butter and blend again. Add in a 1/4 cup of evaporated milk and blend again. Add in 3 eggs, one at a time until well incorporated. You'll probably have to scrape the sides at this point. Now add your spices. A 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon, a grating of fresh nutmeg, a 1/4 teaspoon ground ginger, a teaspoon of vanilla, and a dash of salt. Blend. Pour the filling into your partially baked pie crust and bake in a preheated 350-degree oven for 45 to 50 minutes or until puffed but a little jiggly in the center. You may need to cover with aluminum foil to prevent over browning. Do not overbake. Let the pie cool completely and then slice and serve. Store any leftovers in the refrigerator. Thanks for watching.